in your life, tormenting your life. I recover my marriage, I recover my money, I recover my promotion, I recover my job. Shall I say, my father, my father, in your life, barrenness, disappear. I recover my pray. So many people from chain, from move like a thunder. Lift up your right hand, raise his high. Say, my father, my father. Today my destiny must change. Amen. Today your destiny end of disappointment. Amen. Today your destiny end of disappointment. There are people I'm prophesying to, not everybody. Second Kings chapter. Now, when the Bible says certain, it means of the wives of the son died a pot of oil. Can I hear amen? Say, after today, of the wives of the son I will not borrow again. Die a pot of oil.